Hello, welcome to this video, Creating Virtual Machines. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a virtual machine, how we can remove a virtual machine from inventory, how we can add a virtual machine to inventory, and how we can delete a virtual machine. Jump to the lab and we'll see all these tasks in a lab demonstration. To create a virtual machine, you need to log into either ESXi host or vCenter server. Here we are going to log into the ESXi host. Select the host and click on Create and Register Virtual Machine. Select option Create a new virtual machine. Click Next. Give any name of this VM. Select the operating system you want to install. Click on Next. Select the data store where you want to install or create this virtual machine and click on Next. Customize the resources or leave it as it is. Here you can see that it is assigned with a CPU, memory, hard disk and network. Now select the ISO image from where you want to install this operating system. Click on Next. Click Finish. Now virtual machine has been created and we will power it on and OS installation will install, and that will follow the same process what we have for the OS installation steps. So we will leave it as it is. You can also take the console of this virtual machine. When it will detect the ISO image, it will start the OS installation. Now to remove this virtual machine from inventory, first you need to power it off. Now virtual machine is in power off state. Right click on virtual machine. Select on Unregister. Click on Yes. Now virtual machine has been unregistered from the inventory. To register it back, go to the data store and browse it. Click on Register a virtual machine. Now select the virtual machine you want to register back to the inventory. Select VMX file and click on Register. Now VM is back to the inventory. Now third point, we want to delete this virtual machine. To delete this virtual machine, right click on VM and click on delete. Select delete. Now virtual machine has been deleted. So we saw how we can create a virtual machine, how we can remove the virtual machine from inventory, how we can add it back to the inventory, and how we can delete a virtual machine. Thank you for watching and connecting to the lab. In next video, we are going to cover understanding of VMware tools and virtual hardware.